Hello traders, Gary Wagner with the Gold Forecast here for our daily market update. Today, Wednesday, September the 15th. Gold has come off of these record tops, but in the Forex Gold, as you can see, it's currently trading at 1267.64 right in here. In the COMEX, it is 1269.20. When we look at our long-term chart in Forex Gold, of course, we can see 1267.77. It is currently trading. It's been trading between 67 and 68, and it absolutely is above the old record top. Of course, we are seeing a small round of profit taking, which absolutely does not surprise me after the record moving day we saw yesterday in the market. Now, one thing that I found was genuinely interesting. For the last decade, there has been what I'll call an inverse relationship between dollar and the US dollar and gold. And what we have seen over the last 10 years is that as the dollar moved up, gold tended to move down. When gold moved up, the dollar moved down. In other words, they moved in opposite directions. Now, there was an intervention today which made world headlines when Bank of Japan intervened on behalf of the yen. Now, the dollar rose to 85.60 yen at around, this was Eastern Standard Time, around 11 a.m., rebounding from an 82.85 low, and that was the lowest level in the last 15 years. So the intervention also boosted the dollar index. However, as in the past, gold would move, as I said, in the opposite direction of the yen. However, in this case, we had an incredibly strong dollar, and at the same time, you see that gold here was basically unfazed. And what I'm finding interesting is this. It seems as though that we have a flight to quality not only in the dollar, but gold is considered that same flight to quality, and we're getting relationships that are absolutely not traditional. Now, I would expect the market to retrace here. However, you know, we have had a series of points in which the market simply relaxes, kind of builds energy, and then boosts higher. We've seen that time and time again. So we're going to have to see exactly what the market wants to do at this point. Maintain our long position, of course, at 1255. We will talk about moving up stops over the next couple of days. Traders, once again, we go into uncharted territory in gold. It's been a while since we've been here, but I'm very, very happy that we're back. I do expect the market to have some pretty large ranges. I am surprised with the strength of the US dollar and the fact that the stock market was firmer today, that it had such a little impact in terms of profit taking on gold. That would traditionally propel this market and cause a lot of profit taking. What that tells me is as follows. What that tells me is that the belief of these professional traders that are holding these positions believe that there is much more room on the upside. I'm still looking at a target of $1,300. I would say by the end of the year, January at the latest, but I do believe that that's absolutely achievable at this point. We're going to maintain our position. I need to see it form some sort of a base, and then we'll begin to add to position if we don't see a round of profit taking in which we enter and pull profits also. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.